Hi everyone. Today I would like to show you something very interesting. These are two Trispinosus, old veld plants that ended up here with rotten roots. So what we did is we cut them from the bottom until we found life, and we went up and up until we got the clean cut. We bathed them, we treated them, and we put them in the pots like this, and they grew. This is about 5 years ago. So all the pieces that we cut off, we bathed them all, cut all the rot off, bathed them in a minimal solution with lots of growth hormones like cytokinins and auxins, and feeding, and we planted the parts upright here. So as you cut, like this Trispinosus, we cut like this. We take these wheels that we cut off, take the rot off, and if there's pieces that still got life, we plant them upright, like here. So this Trispinosus part, this is an upright part, and this is a piece of the cortex, just a little ring left. We planted it here, and see how now it made two suckers on the outside. You see there's the cortex going, two suckers on it, and on this part we get a sucker here, new leaves here, there's a new sucker coming here, leaves there. So after 5 years you get vigorous growth out of the cortex part of the stem. So we throw nothing away, we plant everything, and in the end you get smiles all over. Thank you.